In this video, we're going to discuss about tape measurements. A lot of people use tape measures, especially tradesmen around the world, carpenters, masons, and so forth, pipe fitters, welders, and fabricators, and other trades. Now, we are here to discuss measurements, all right? And we're going to talk about 1 inch. Now, before I go on, always remember this: the first 12 inches is 1 foot. After that, it becomes feet. So you will have 1 foot, you will have 10 feet. You will have 1 foot, you have 2 feet. Okay? So in this section here, we're going to discuss from 1/16 to 15/16, which make 1 inch. So here we go. Here we have 1/16, 1/8, 3/16, quarter, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and then we have 3/4. After 3/4, we have a 13/16, 7/8, and then 15/16. The next 16 after that will be 1 inch. In this section here, we're going to subdivide it now. Instead of 16, we're going to talk about the eighths. Now, in every inch, you have 8 set of eighths. But why it stop at 7/8 is because on the 8/8 is 1 inch. So here we have 1/8. Then when you add 1/8 to that, you get a quarter. And then now it moves up to 3/8 and then half inch. This means 4/8 give you half inch. And then we go again, 5/8, then 3/4, then 7/8, then 1 inch. A point to note also when you come to 1/16, that 1/16 can also divide into half and give you 1/32 of an inch. And that can also divide it and give you 1/64 of an inch. I guess the measurements behind that now you're going into thou. That is where you used to do gauges when you're timing your engine and like other smaller gaps. That is when you're going down to thou. I'll give you the calculation in a different video, how to calculate the thou. But today I'm giving you a basic idea of how to read a tape measure in the 16ths and 8ths. Additional calculation also comes with metric measurement in millimeter and centimeter on some tape measures. You can also work out the calculation in millimeters. Say for example, our 25.4 millimeter make 1 inch. This is very good to calculate because if you're going to read blueprints or so forth or other what you call other method of measurements, it's good to understand these principles so you can what you call transfer measurement from one surface to another. So it give you a more clearer idea how to convert millimeters and centimeters. As I would say 2.5 centimeter make 1 inch. So I hope you have I hope this video have helped you so a little bit, or I hope this video have helped you in some way about understanding tape measures in the 16th and how to understand from 1/16 to 1 inch. All right, millimeters in calculation to inch and the centimeter into inches, and also you know that 12 inches make 1 foot, and from there you'll understand that 2 and 3 is feet. Have yourself a good one. From Gardening with Kirk.